Welcome. This video will show you the steps involved in adding navigation links to the WebOffice navigation bar. This is done using the WebOffice admin. Site Navigation acts as a map for the WebOffice to help associates easily find information and business tools. For this feature, you are acting as the designer for your associates' experience. Keep them in mind when you are setting up the navigation. Let's get started by logging in to the WebOffice admin. In order to configure this feature, the user's role needs to have View and Edit enabled for the Site Navigation page. The Site Navigation page is the first page that you will land on when logging in to the WebOffice admin, but the link can also be found under the WebOffice configuration section. This page is where you add folders and links that will help organize the navigation of the WebOffice. By default, there are 5 folders already available, with links configured in them. The Business folder holds links to the Team Dashboard, Visual Tree, Report Center, Commissions, Pay History, and Volume History pages. It also contains the unpublished Placement Suite page. The Tools folder has links to the Documents and Media, Calendar, Community, and Prospect Manager pages, as well as an unpublished Testimonials page. In the Orders folder, you find links to the Place in Order, Manage Autoship, and Order History pages. The Training folder holds the links to the Training Courses page. Lastly, the Setting folder has links to the Account, Marketing Site, Communication, and Billing pages. The Home and Support links are top-level links and don't fall within a folder. To add a new folder, click the Add New button and select Add Folder. Or you can click the Add New buttons directly in the navigation list. This will open the Add Folder pop-up. Give the folder a name. Once an entry is added, you can add translations by clicking the Translation button. The options available are the languages configured to your company. Then add an icon to represent the folder's purpose. After this is complete, click the Save button. You cannot publish a folder until a link has been published within it. To add a link, click the Add Link button. The only required fields to complete in this pop-up are the link name and link URL fields. The other sections help to provide additional information and allow for deeper customizations to personalize the experience for your associates. Choose under which folder the link will be nested. If you select No Parent, Top-Level Link, the link will not be placed in a folder, like the Home and Support links. Give the link a name. Then add the link URL. External links must begin with the HTTPS format, and internal links must begin with a slash. For internal links, there can't be any spaces between words. Select the checkbox below to open the page in a new browser tab. This is a good idea when linking to an external site. The rest of the settings are Multi-Faceted Configuration, or MFC. These settings allow you to customize this feature in a variety of ways, such as customizing its display based on an associate's country, language, user type, status, and rank. MFC can even customize a time limit of when the feature begins and ends, or have it always display. In the Custom Configurations field, you can configure this feature to display by adding variable strings related to an associate's data. Click the Learn How tab to see a Help Center resource for help on how to write the syntax. Click the Publish toggle now to publish immediately after saving, or you can publish later within the navigation list. Click the Save button. The added link appears in the navigation list, where it can be edited and deleted. Click and drag then to change the order it will appear in the navigation bar. Let's view the site navigation on an associate's web office. If you happen to have a web office page open for testing at the time that changes were made, and notice the changes haven't occurred immediately, simply refresh the page. You now know how to configure site navigation in the web office using the web office admin, helping associates easily find information and business tools in the navigation bar. For more in-depth videos, tutorials, and how-to guides, visit the Help Center at help.directscale.com. And thanks for watching.